Hey guys, are we on live? Yep. Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I'm excited to showcase our new listing over at 1025 West Glenwood Street. We're in Santa Ana. Lovely home, lovely day. Why don't we start off by showing you all the ample parking that's available besides your driveway. We got more street parking here. We got additional street parking here, okay? And as we turn around, you can park your nice, beautiful home here in the driveway. We got custom stamp driveway, and look at this landscaping. Unbelievable. Look at, even the palm trees are already all cleaned up for you. As you can tell, this homeowners have upgraded the house. Newer roof, which is guaranteed for life, which we'll be passing on the paperwork to you guys. New roll-up garage. Just beautiful curb appeal. As we come in, come on and follow me. Welcome, come in. Look at this open space concept. You can have family members sitting here enjoying the TV. You can have other members eating or sitting down in the peninsula, or even having other guests sitting in the dining room. It's your choice. It's a great, great open floor plan so you can host families. Take a look at the tile. Nice fresh tile, custom paint. Even the recess lights have been updated so you can have the perfect mood set up. Not to mention, there's vents all over the house. The AC has been upgraded. And again, let's take a quick look from the beautiful entrance of the door, baseboards, to the custom paint, recess lighting, and isn't it nice and fresh? So fresh in here with the AC going on. As we walked in, look at this beautiful granite, okay? You can have your kids or guests sit here and have their lunch snacks. To the right, you can have be a little bit more formal with the dining. Tile floor, beautiful fan to keep you cool. Look at this woodwork on the wall. Just beautiful custom work here. Now, if you're like me, I never eat dinner. I always have all my snacks on the peninsula or the island. But if you want to have a formal dinner, maybe like a Thanksgiving, then you have your awesome dining room. Now, any of you guys love cooking? I know I do. I love cooking for my family dinners. What better than to cook dinner in your awesome upgraded kitchen? I mean, just take a look at this. You have stainless steel appliances. Look at that. Not only that, look at this upgraded knobs. Brand new kitchen with your granite countertops. Look at the stainless sink here. Beautiful setup. Now, it complements the backsplash, custom backsplash along with the paint. So it's a perfect blend, perfect blend. Now, if we turn around here to my left, that's your laundry room. That's right. You don't have to do laundry in your garage or outside. Now, I hope you're not like me because I'm not able to multitask, right? But if you're good at multitasking, hey, you can be cooking and doing laundry at the same time. How about that? That's a win-win. So why don't we step back through the house and let's walk and show you the bedrooms. This house has 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, which is perfect for that family that's starting up, right? Or maybe you're downsizing. But let's take a look. Let's walk over here. You have closet space here. As you can see, they've also done some molding around here, custom paint, molding around the doors. So there's attention to details here. And if you like, take a look at the restroom. You have a new vanity that was put in, tiles in the shower, tile floor. Easy way to maintain the restroom. Let me have you take a look at bedroom number 1. Now look at the wood flooring. Those are the original wood floorings that they've done an exceptional job in maintaining. You have updated windows. As a matter of fact, you even have crown molding around the windows. How about that? And last but not least, that fan to keep you nice and fresh. Now as we walk over down the hall, you have additional storage space. This is all custom fit in. And look at this. just to show proof that there's AC throughout the house and it was just currently put in. Look at this control. I may have to read a manual book. It's probably voice activated, but you'll be able to control your temperature from anywhere. Let's take a look at the second bedroom. As you can see, they've upgraded the flooring to dark wood. Beautiful fan, updated windows, a view of the outside of the house in the front, and you have your closet space and storage all here. Beautiful. And you also have crown molding around the windows. Beautiful custom paint, smooth, AC running in here, updated floors, ready for you to come in and relax. Beautiful. So let's take a quick walk over to the back. So as you can see, that was bedroom 1, bedroom 2, the bathroom, okay? Closet space. We'll walk back out to the living room. Cross over to the kitchen. And let's take a look at the backyard. Beautiful backyard. This property is 6,440 square feet. Huge lot. We got a couple stairs here. But take a look at this yard. Big, beautiful yard. If you're like me, I love big yards. What can you do with the big yard? Have a barbecue, have your kids play around, have your pets run around, or maybe have your grandkids come in and play. See that? See that right there? That's going to be part of the house. That can be the next gift for your kids or your grandkids, so you guys can enjoy the house. But take a look at this yard. And you have storage unit back there to put all your things away. As you can see, things have all been upgraded. New AC, your water heater's new. Even the cable has been updated, so you have fiber optic. This house is ready to go. So again, I just want to thank you for joining me. All of you guys watching right now, I thank you. We're here to answer any questions, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.